On 27th July 1903, Glasgow's St Enoch station became the scene of a devastating railway tragedy. A crowded Isle of Man express train, packed with holidaymakers returning from a seaside trip, failed to stop as it entered platform 8 and violently struck the buffer stops. The impact was catastrophic. The first two carriages were crushed against the solid masonry at the platform end, creating a scene of horror and chaos. 16 people lost their lives, 13 of them instantly, with 3 more succumbing to their injuries later. A further 64 passengers were injured, 17 of them seriously. The accident is remembered as one of the worst buffer stop collisions in British railway history. What made it so severe was a combination of factors. The platform had recently been rebuilt, shortened and curved, which confused the driver. Believing he was approaching a longer platform, he braked far too late. The locomotive was likely a typical Glasgow and South Western Railway steam engine of the early 20th century. But at the time, braking systems lacked the advanced safety features we rely on today. The disaster shocked the nation and highlighted the critical importance of route knowledge and proper signalling when infrastructure changes are made. St Enoch station itself served Glasgow for many more decades, but was eventually closed in 1966 and demolished in 1977. Today, the St Enoch Centre shopping complex occupies much of the site, but traces of the old station remain as a reminder of its history. If you found this story both tragic and fascinating, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We bring you historical events that shaped transport safety in ways we still live with today. Your support helps us explore more stories like this. See you next time.